It is a beautiful morning. The sun is high in the sky, and the air is fresh. Leo wakes up early in his small apartment. He is still a little tired, but today is special. It is his first week at a new job, and he needs energy. He thinks, I need coffee. He takes his phone and looks for a cafe. There is a new cafe near his office. It is called the Daily Grind. Leo smiles. That is a nice name for a cafe, he thinks. He takes his bag, puts on his jacket, and walks outside. The street is quiet. Only a few cars pass by. He hears birds singing in the trees. The houses are old, but they are beautiful. Some have red doors, some have blue windows. Leo likes walking here. He feels calm and happy. After 10 minutes, Leo sees the cafe. The sign says, The Daily Grind, in big brown letters. There are small tables outside with green chairs. A man is reading a newspaper. A woman is drinking tea. Leo opens the door and goes inside. The cafe is small and cozy. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. He also smells bread, maybe warm croissants. The lights are soft. There are plants near the windows and paintings on the wall. Soft music plays from a small speaker. Behind the counter, a woman with short brown hair smiles. Hello, she says. Good morning. Can I help you? Hi, Leo says. My name is Leo. It is my first time here. It's nice to meet you, Leo. I am Clara. I am the owner of this cafe. What can I get for you? I need a black coffee, please, Leo says. Clara makes his coffee. Do you work near here? She asks. Yes, says Leo. I work in the new office building on Main Street. Oh, that is good. The building is very big, says Clara. How is your new job? It is good. I like my work very much. I work on computers. And this is your cafe. Do you like your work? Yes. I love my work, Clara says with bright eyes. Making coffee for people is my dream. Every day I meet new people. I listen to their stories. That makes me happy. Leo smiles. That is wonderful. Clara gives him the coffee. Here you are. 1 black coffee. Leo takes the cup. The coffee is hot. He smells it first. Then he drinks. This coffee is very good. Thank you, Clara. You are welcome. Do you want something to eat? We have bread, muffins, and sandwiches. Not today, thank you. Maybe tomorrow, Leo says. Leo sits at a small table near the window. He puts his bag on the chair. He looks outside. The street is brighter now. A dog walks with its owner. 2 children go to school with their backpacks. Leo drinks slowly. The sun feels warm on his face. Clara cleans the counter, but sometimes she looks at Leo. She is happy to see a new customer. After a few minutes, Leo looks at the time. Oh, it is late. I have to go now. He walks to the counter again. The coffee is a perfect start for my day. Thank you, Clara. You are welcome, Leo, Clara says. See you tomorrow? Yes, I will come back tomorrow for another coffee, Leo says. And that's the end of today's story. Remember, every story is a chance to learn new words and expressions in English. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next story. Also, let me know in the comments, what was your favorite part of the story? And what kind of stories would you like to hear next? Your feedback helps me create more stories that teach and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next English story.